Agile organizational culture and work methods. In today's rapidly changing business environment, adaptability and the pursuit of innovation are essential for a company's survival and growth. Amidst this necessity, Agile has established itself as a crucial concept that transforms the entire organizational culture and mindset. Going beyond a mere work methodology. What is Agile? Agile, meaning nimble or quick-witted, originally emerged in the software development field as a methodology to respond flexibly and quickly to rapidly changing requirements and efficiently produce deliverables. While the traditional waterfall model emphasized strict planning and sequential execution. Step by step, Agile aims for an iterative and incremental approach that plans and executes in short cycles, continuously incorporates feedback, and gradually improves. The core lies in quick adaptation to change and delivering customer value, rather than a perfect initial plan. Characteristics of Agile organizational culture. Agile prioritizes the underlying values and principles, rather than blindly following specific tools or processes. A true Agile organizational culture is formed when these Agile values are internalized within the organization. Trust and transparency. Information is transparently shared based on trust among team members, departments, and with management. A culture where work is understood and respected, and honest feedback is exchanged, is crucial. Autonomy and empowerment. Team members plan and execute their own work, and are granted authority for problem solving. This increases accountability and fosters creative problem-solving abilities. Collaboration and communication. Agile emphasizes teamwork and active communication as much as individual excellence. A culture that breaks down barriers and solves problems together is important, for which regular meetings and sharing forums are arranged. Continuous learning and improvement. It aims for a culture that is not afraid of failure, but continuously improves through experimentation and learning. It creates more developed outcomes through fail fast, learn fast. Customer-centric. Customer value and satisfaction are at the center of all decision-making and development processes. Customer feedback is quickly incorporated, and what customers truly want is continuously explored. Embracing change. It maintains an attitude that is not bound by plans, but responds flexibly to changing market conditions and customer requirements. Embracing change itself as an opportunity. Agile work methods, frameworks, and practices. Based on the Agile philosophy, various work methods have been developed, with the main ones being Scrum, one of the most widely used Agile frameworks. It typically has short development cycles called sprints, lasting 1 to 4 weeks, during which the team collaborates to achieve specific goals. Daily scrums are held to share progress and identify issues. And after the sprint ends, a sprint review inspects the outcomes, and a sprint retrospective improves the next sprint. Kanban, a method that manages workflow using a visual board. Work status is identified at a glance with columns like to do, in progress, and done. And bottlenecks are prevented by limiting work in progress WIP limit to maintain an efficient flow. XP, extreme programming and Agile methodology focused on software development, emphasizing practices such as short development cycles, frequent releases, continuous communication with customers, and test-driven development TDD. These frameworks are merely tools to help teams effectively apply Agile principles. They are not Agile itself. It is important to flexibly apply and develop them according to the characteristics and situation of the organization. Benefits of adopting Agile. By adopting Agile organizational culture and work methods, companies can gain various benefits. Improved adaptability to change, ability to respond much faster and more flexibly to rapidly changing market conditions and customer demands. Enhanced product service quality. Continuously incorporating customer feedback increases user satisfaction and improves the quality of the final product. Increased productivity and efficiency. Reducing unnecessary procedures and increasing team autonomy enhances work immersion, leading to higher productivity. Increased employee satisfaction and engagement. Autonomy in the work environment, a sense of accomplishment and collaboration. Increase employee satisfaction and work engagement. Reduced time to market. Faster product service delivery to market through short development cycles and frequent deployments. Considerations for Agile adoption. Adopting Agile is a significant challenge that goes beyond merely changing methodologies. It transforms organizational culture and the mindset of its members. Strong will and support from management. Active support and participation from top leadership are essential for cultural change. Sufficient training and gradual implementation. Members should be given time to understand and get used to Agile values, and it should be implemented gradually rather than changing everything at once. Tolerance for failure as experimentation and learning are emphasized. A culture that tolerates failure and seeks to learn from it must be supported. Changes in measurement metrics. Agile performance. Measurement metrics should also change to reflect Agile values, rather than traditional methods. Agile is a powerful solution for companies to continuously innovate and grow in an era of uncertainty. We encourage your organization to build a more nimble and successful future through Agile values and work methods.